Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix and bypass YouTube anti-ad block detection. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. YouTube is telling you to disable your ad blocker. To fix this problem, to bypass this, you need uBlock Origin extension. To get it, go to uBlock Origin or just simply search on your extension's web store. It is a browser extension. It is free and it is open source. It is available for all major browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Edge, and etc. Once you get it, just add the extension to your browser and open up the dashboard of uBlock Origin. To do that, you can click the uBlock Origin icon right here from the extensions and then click on this gears icon. This will open up the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Here, click on the filters list tab right here. Once you click that button, Update Now button will be available. Now this is going to update all the filters for uBlock Origin. As you can see, it's updating now. The update is finished. Now you have the latest version of uBlock Origin, and you have the latest version of all the filters, the filter lists. Now the next website to keep an eye on is called Dr. Hyperion. You will get this from GitHub. Just type Hyperion 451 GitHub.io and click the first link, and in first you will see this does bypass YouTube. Click on it, scroll down and click View Website. This website basically tries to match the latest version of uBlock Origin and the filters list to the latest version of the YouTube anti-ad blocker detection script. If it says yes, you are good to go. You can safely watch YouTube videos without ads. So that's basically how you can fix and bypass YouTube anti-ad block detection. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.